Imagine turning pocket change into $1 million head start for your child. That's not a fantasy, it's just math plus time. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start investing for your kids. Here's why starting early beats everything else. Money invested at birth has 18 years to compound before adulthood, and potentially 60 more before retirement. Time is the one advantage your kid has over every adult investor. Option 1. A custodial account, also called a UTMA. You open it in your child's name. You manage it until they're an adult, and the money legally belongs to them. It's flexible. The funds can be used for anything that benefits the child. Option 2. The 529 plan. It's built for education. Contributions grow tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified education expenses are completely tax-free. Many states even give you a tax deduction for contributing. So which one? Simple rule of thumb. 529 if education is the goal, custodial account if you want maximum flexibility. Many families use both. The 529 for college, the UTMA for everything else. Let's run the numbers. $50 a month from birth to age 18 is $10,800 invested. At 7%, that's roughly $21,000 by 18. And if it stays invested until 67, it grows past $550,000 without adding another dime. Setting it up takes minutes. Fidelity, Schwab, and Vanguard all offer custodial accounts with no minimums, and Fidelity even has a youth account for teens. Pick a broad, low-cost index ETF and automate a monthly amount. On taxes? In a custodial account, the first chunk of your child's investment income is tax-free, and the next chunk is taxed at the kid's low rate. That's the kiddie tax in a nutshell. A 529 grows completely tax-free for education. 3 mistakes to avoid. Waiting for the perfect moment, investing too conservatively for an 18-plus year horizon, and treating the child's money as family money. Legally, it's theirs. And if plans change, 529s are more flexible than people think. You can switch beneficiaries, use funds for trade schools, and thanks to recent rules, roll unused money into a Roth IRA for your child, up to a lifetime limit. My bottom line? The biggest wealth advantage you can give your child isn't a bigger amount. It's a longer runway. Starting at birth instead of at 30 means decades of free compounding. Start small, but start. My bottom line? The biggest wealth advantage you can give your child isn't a bigger amount. It's a longer runway. Starting at birth instead of at 30 means decades of free compounding. Start small, but start. If this video helped you, subscribe. You'll find the full beginner series on the channel. And remember, this is not financial or tax advice. It's for educational purposes only. See you in the next one.